Shara, we're going to Angel's Bakery. I want to buy bread. How to say Angel's Bakery on Angel's Bakery?
Angel's Bakery.
Because Angeles City also Filipino people say Angeles. So it's but how to say it's good?
Angels.
Angeles. Okay, Angel's Bakery. Today Friday, traffic again. Oh, Georgi, I want to go to buy bread in the Angel's Bakery. Okay, let's go. Dollar today 55. How much euro? How much euro? Euro how much? $60.20. Okay, thank you. 60.20. When low season, rates little bit high for dollar and for euro. Same.
Because no tourists, nobody wants to buy peso.
Yeah. For tourists, of course, better if good dollar rates. Oh, Pink Bunny, adult store. I don't know where. I think this time better walk, not sit in the tricycle. What is this? Gay club. Shira, gay club. Only guys. I don't know, for me look like one face. But different faces. Okay. Entrance. Go to refrigerator. Cold inside. Cold, Shira. Maybe I will buy also. So craft. I will put in the cart. Shira, you can say
I don't know.
this one.
I don't know.
No, how? It's English.
No, it's not English.
English.
No, it's not English.
It's okay. No, you can say in English how.
No,
Okay.
I don't know.
Georgi, can you say? Georgi, do you know language?
Нет.
He don't know. Maybe have in English.
Tuna.
But we know what is this. Maybe guys from Germany can...
Russia.
It's in Russian language, yes. In Russian I understand. So, but have English also, Shaira?
Tuna.
Oh, this
Ice.
is wine, sauerkraut. It's in English.
But it's not.
No, you can say in English. Don't want, okay. Okay. Where? This one. For me, it's for 1 week.
2 weeks.
For 2 weeks? For you for 1 month, I think. No, for me 1 week. Georgi, what you want? Milk? Maybe you want milk and together with fish? Not want? Okay. Let's go. Still traffic right now.